Okay, I had a few people ask for the hang and poop chute to be larger and to have a larger access hole for dumping out the poop. This is the first original size that I did. The only modification I did to this is I added some non-stick to it. Non-stick coating, which in this case is just aluminum foil, which you can glue on there, or if you have the aluminum tape, just put that on there, because even a really hot steaming poop that comes rolling out of there won't stick to the PLA. That way it'll hit that metal and go right off. But I enlarged the hole on this jumbo one here. If you can see, this is considerably larger than the other one in all dimensions. It's got a great big huge hole here for dumping the poop out. Opened up this whole area here so there's really nothing to stick to. If you do have a sticking problem from really hot poops, then of course you could cover these two surfaces right here with some aluminum foil, and that would take care of that. Now there's plenty of room to make this thing even bigger. I mean, you could go back, you can go deeper out this way, but for me this would probably last about a month. Trying not to screw up my print there. Last about a month before I'd have to empty it, since I'm not doing multicolor. But I'll have the file for the jumbo size if it interests you at all.